Everything you need to know about Kappa Statistic. What exactly is Kappa Statistic? Well, it is a reliability tool which tells you how much in agreement two examiners are with respect to each other's decision. For example, let's say I graded a student's paper and I'm examiner A, I gave him 8 marks out of 10, and another examiner B gave the same student again 8 marks out of 10, which shows that both of us, examiner A and B, are in complete agreement with each other. Whereas if I gave him 8 out of 10 and examiner B gave him 5 on 10, it then tells you that we are not in agreement with each other, which again implies that either both of us have a different understanding of the subject, or the manner in which we are assessing the student is different. So when do you do a kappa statistic? You do it every time human judgment is involved. So it could be when there are two examiners examining papers or assessing a test or a medical report, or if you're classifying data into different categories. So what is the intention of doing calculating the kappa statistics? It is to show that the agreement that two people have, or two examiners or clinicians have, is not just a chance happening, and there's good reason behind it. Or rather, in scientific terms, there is scientific or evidence based reasoning behind the agreement of these two examiners. So what does the kappa score tell you? Kappa score normally ranges between 0 to 1. 1 would be complete agreement, 0 would be no agreement. Any score between 0.1 to 0.4 is low agreement. Anything between zero point 0.4 to zero point 0.6 is moderate agreement. Anything above 0.7 is good agreement. What happens when you do not calculate kappa statistics for your study? Then it just goes to show that you have a weak reliability or a weak tool which you've used for assessment, and so your chances of publication are probably going to go down. Bonus tip: how is a kappa statistic different from Cronbach's alpha? Well, kappa you calculate for the assessment or to check the reliability between two examiners. Cronbach's alpha is used to check the internal consistency of a questionnaire. I hope this helps.